Yeah, welcome back to the Firewater Cooking Channel. I'm Darren. Hey, I've got something cooking in the sous vide right now, but I'm going to show you how I can actually cook two different things, two different meals at the same time in the same sous vide bath. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is going to be real easy. I started another video, and actually with a longer cook. I got some pork belly sitting in my sous vide container right there cooking right now. It's going to be a 15-16 hour cook. But I want to cook, it's just going to be me for dinner tonight. My wife and kids are out doing other stuff, so I'm fending for myself for dinner. So I've got some leftover uncooked Italian sausage, but I want to cook this sous vide because I want to get the sausage cooked all the way through. Just get the outside brown and golden and crispy, so I don't have to worry about it being raw in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the sous vide. Sous vide's already going at 150, and I'm just going to leave it in there for maybe 45 minutes to an hour. This is already thawed out, so it should get this cooked all the way through at 150 in an hour. And then we're going to toss it with some onions and peppers and mushrooms and have a little bit of pasta. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, since my sous vide's already rolling at 150, all I really have to do is put the Ziploc bag in the sous vide water, left it open. We're going to do the water dispersion method where we just let the water take the air out. I'm going to seal it up and let it sit right here under that sous vide rack that I got holding the pork down. It's going to hold it under the water till about an hour till it gets up to temp. And we're going to let that sit there. And then while that's cooking, I went ahead and got my water going and got the pasta started, because it's going to take a little while for that pasta to get nice and firm. So, alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, my sausages are out of the sous vide, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil in my frying pan. Get this cranked up here. I'm going to turn it up on medium-high heat. My pasta is just about done, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain my pasta, and I'm going to toss the sauce in the same pan. Since I'm being a bachelor today, trying to not dirty a lot of pans and stuff. Alright, I think my pan's hot enough now. I'll get my peppers and onions in. And I usually like to season my vegetables when I'm making pasta like this. I don't use just a little bit of my normal beef rub, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, which salt, pepper, and garlic is a good base Italian season. And I'm going to use some regular Italian seasoning, which has got basil, thyme, oregano, all that. Just a little bit in there. We're going to let these sweat down a little bit before we throw our sausages in. The good thing about cooking these sausages sous vide first is, like I said, it cooks them all the way through to the middle. So all you're really doing is browning the outside and crisping up the casing. And my pasta is just about done. It's about the way I like it here. Still a little firm, not too not overdone at all. Going to have a nice bite to it. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit, strain my pasta just into the sink here. I'm just going to kind of let it sit there while everything else is cooking. Put my vodka sauce in. I'm only going to use about a half a thing of this because this is just for me. And all I'm doing is heating that up. So I got it at about a medium heat. My peppers and onions are smelling really good. That garlic and salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning is real fragrant. Put just a little bit more olive oil in. I'm going to go ahead, since they're about a quarter of the way cooked, And toss my sausages in. Just let them start browning up. Push all my vegetables to one side over here. Just a little bit more olive oil. See how these are starting to crisp up already? Sauce is already starting to bubble pretty good, so that's heating up just fine. There you go. Sausage is crisping up just fine. Looking pretty good to me. And smelling delicious. Turn the heat down on this a little bit. Don't want it to burn. Alright, just about done. I'm going to shut off the heat on my sauce. Turn this down just a little bit. I'll put my pasta in my bowl. I'll go ahead and shut the heat off on this because it's doing pretty well. We kind of come in for a landing here. Remember, it's already cooked. We're just getting some color. Alright, I'll see you guys over and I'll show you how I'm going to plate this. Alright guys, this is going to be really quick. I just take my sauce and pour it right over the pasta. I did not rinse the pasta off, so it's got plenty of starch on there to hold on to that pasta sauce. Make sure I get as much of that sauce out of there as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my peppers and onions and just kind of toss them right on top of the sauce. There's going to be plenty of time to mix this all up after when we start eating it. I'm just going to get a nice layer of peppers and onions on there. Then I'm just going to put my sausages right on top. You can cut them up if you want to make it easier, but I just decided to put these on. Took a 5 cheese blend of Italian cheese and put on top, and then I finished it off with just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And that's it, guys. Real simple, easy, and delicious. There you go, guys. Nice little sausage, peppers, onions, and pasta. I'm going to move that cheese around just a little bit. I'm going to get a bite right out of here. You can see that sausage is cooked all the way through. A little sauce on there. A piece of pasta. Come on now. Get a little sauce, a little onions and peppers. Piece of pasta. Give me a bite of that right there. That's some good eating. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to go eat my dinner. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Please like, subscribe, follow us. We have some great videos out there. Look at our library. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.